like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel by clicking the bell icon to be notified of future videos. You will need glycerin, artificial snow, jars or snow globes, tin foil, baking paper, a rolling pin, cocktail stick or clay tools, strong glue, sharp knife, polymer clay in various colours. Begin by rolling out some black clay for the penguin's body. Shape it into an oval with one side slightly larger, making sure it's nice and smooth. Roll out some white clay as thin as you can between two sheets of baking paper. The baking paper helps to keep the dust off the clay. Then using a knife, cut out the penguin's belly, using the picture for reference. Press the belly onto the body. Roll 2 black sausages and flatten them for little flippers, pressing them onto the side of the body using a cocktail stick or a clay tool to blend them together. Make a little beak and feet from the orange clay. Press the beak onto the face and the feet onto the base of the body. Roll 2 tiny black balls for eyes and press onto the face. If you have quite a tall jar, you can make a base for your character to sit on. Scrunch up a ball of foil a little smaller than your lid. Roll out a piece of clay and cover the foil with the clay. Cut off the excess around the base. Check the base fits onto the lid of the jar and that you can still screw the jar onto the lid. Place your penguin onto the base. Bake according to packet instructions. Allow them to cool, then using strong glue, attach the bases to the jar lids or snow globe bases. Add 3 tablespoons of glycerin to each jar and pour in water about 3/4 full. Stir to combine, and then mix 2 tablespoons of artificial snow. Stir and insert the lid with the glued figure inside. If you have a gap, fill it up as required. Screw the lid tightly on and shake the snow globe to see how it looks. Add more glycerin if the snow floats to the top too quickly. Your snow globe is now complete and ready to add a festive touch to your home.